Well, in case if you're looking for any form of data entry form without using macros, then yes, we do have one option here. Let's take an example. I want to load in some data, as in, let's say, name, age, and which state they belong to. Now, I want to have a simple list over here with the list of names, their age, and the state they belong to. And I want to have a simple data entry form. Now, under Developer tab, well, we don't see a form option over here except for the form controls. But yes, we can enable an interesting tool from Excel. Click on File menu, go to More, go to Options. Now here we have Quick Access Toolbar, and under this, Popular Commands, click All Commands. Once you click on All Commands, there is a whole bunch of lists over here, and we are looking for something called as Form. So scroll down, everything is arranged alphabetically, so till we come to the list that starts with F, as in Forms. Here we have, let's scroll down further, and here we have Form. Click on Add, click OK, and here we have this. Click on Form. Microsoft Excel cannot determine which row in your list or selection contains column label which are required. So click OK, and here it is. Now let's say I type the first one as John Smith, a very common name. Let's say age of 30 and state as Washington. We have this. Click on New, and here it is. Now next we say Alice Springs, age of, let's say, 28, state she's coming from New York. Click on Add, and so we can see some more records added over here. Well, in case if you want to run through any of the list over here, we can just click on Find Previous, and find previous again, find next, and then maybe the age of John Smith is incorrect. Maybe that was supposed to be 26. Click on that and click on Find Next. Now here, let's say it was not supposed to be 30 but 26. I want to edit this, and it's not from Washington. Let's say it's from Texas. Once you're done with this, the only button that makes sense to click on over here is New. But when you click on New, this time it's not adding a new record, but rather it's updating an existing one because we have already pulled up an existing record. So just click on New, and here we have this updated. Click Close. You can have as many fields that you need, but let me tell you, it's a simple data entry form here. No fancy buttons or anything, but yes, all at the back-end call. Well, in case if you want to delete the record, so you can just click on Delete. Displayed record will be permanently deleted. That means there is no undo option. Click OK, and John Smith is gone.